What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to finish Spongebob game on Discord and earn 700 Discord Orbs. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, join to UFO187 Discord server and get cool gifts for holidays. Okay guys, just open your Discord today like me and move here to direct message, move here to quests and you will see the Spongebob movie quest. Just go here, launch in Discord, play this game. After that you will see game, just go here and start. Okay, let's go! Play the Spongebob mystery game. Okay. Claim Cha. Take it. Can we move? Can we move, guys? Okay. Oh no! Okay, we need key. We can take this. Okay, we have here more coins. Just move around and take all these coins. Next is we can open this box. Okay, box are empty. Take this. You earn a title twinkle. Okay, take it. What this do? Okay, can we use this? We have here key. Oh no, we don't have. Can we move forward? I think we can, guys. But how? But how? What is this? Okay, I understand. Now I try to pick this. No. We can't. How to move to the other side? Coin. How we take this? Try like this. How we move? Okay, I try something new. Why we can't move, bro? Take. And what I can do with this? Oh, I understand. I get it. Take key. Okay, we have key. Try to open this. Okay, now we have a number. Take it. Put in. And fire. Okay, now we on other side. Nice. Lucky brick, take. We need 2 more bricks. Okay, can we move? Okay, 1 brick. I get it. We need these bricks. Oh, bro. This game is so huge. Okay, another bricks. Nice, man. Okay, we have brick. Ah, bro. Okay. Holy.
Copy. No, 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 no.
What the?
No, 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 no. Yeah. No, 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 no.
Ah!
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah.
Yeah! Okay. I think we have all. Okay, guys, I think we finished the game. GG, guys. And that's it all, guys, for this video, how to finish SpongeBob game on Discord. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Claim your reward.